This is how we relax models. This is the Walid method that I always show you guys, but I'm putting it together for the first time here in a YouTube video. The Walid method is this. Number one, Walid always puts the camera strap like this, and then I hold the camera, because if you drop it, there you go. Okay. So what I'll do, if I notice that a model is real tense like this, or they're just like posing and you get all this tightness there, nobody wants that in a picture, nobody. So I lie to them. It's a tiny little white lie. This is a key factor in it all, okay? You, the photographer, you as a director must take 100% of the blame. So here's what I'll do with some bad acting for you. I'll hold the camera up and I'll go like this. I'm taking some pictures. I'm noticing that they're a little bit stiff. I'm like, oh shoot, I gotta do something here. So this is what I'll say. Okay, so I want you to keep looking at me. Keep looking at the camera. Don't move anything. And you're doing great, by the way. I have to change some settings within my camera, but just look at me and just, I just got to change my settings so that I can basically do a quick test. And then I'll go click, 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 and I'll take pictures and I'll take pictures. And then about 20 seconds later, I'm going to reassure them again. And then every 20 seconds, I'm going to reassure them. But wait, okay, so make sure you don't move. By the way, this is not you, this is me. So sorry, it's going to take just a second. And then fake pretend to like adjust this. They don't know what you're doing. Maybe fake adjust this or something. And then you can even do some for good decor. You can be like this. Shoot. Okay, hold up. Oh man, you look so good right now. Just relax. I just gotta... And then fake button, hit it back here. See, I ain't touching anything, okay? And you go like this and you click some more, click, 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 click. And you're like, almost there, almost there. You're doing good. Sorry, it's me on my settings of my camera. Everything is great. Meanwhile, what they're doing is this. Oh my God, this is too brilliant. They were tense. And all of a sudden, the photographer says, you're doing great. It's the settings on my camera. Just keep looking at my camera. So what'll happen is the model will go like this. Suddenly they're not posing. You keep reminding them every 20 seconds, they're doing great. The problem is with you, the photographer. So they'll even go like this. Sometimes they'll even go like this. Sometimes they'll just they're waiting for you because you keep reminding them that the fault is with the photographer, not the model. Never the model. It works. It works every single time. Okay. They drop their shoulders, you take some pictures, and then you will get the picture. And don't do it more than 4 minutes. If you go more than 5 minutes, then they start really losing faith in you, okay? And you can only do this trick one time. So pull it out at the right time. And then you go like this, we're done. And they'll be like, that's it, we're done? You're like, yeah, we're done. I lied to you.